हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। दिस इज़ हामिद अली बहलोल। होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। मैं इस वक्त अमेरिका के बहुत खूबसूरत शहर बॉस्टन में हूँ और मेरे साथ हैं शेख रशीद साहब। ये यहाँ पे बिजनेसमैन के तौर पर भी जाने जाते हैं, यहाँ की अमेरिकन पॉलिटिक्स में भी एक्टिव हैं और ह्यूमैनिटी ब्रिज फाउंडेशन जो है उसके ये रूए रवाम भी हैं, चेयरमैन है उसके। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप आज की बातचीत जो है बॉस्टन के हवाले से वो मैं शेख रशीद साहब से करूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच शेख साहब, आपने हमें टाइम दिया। आप पाकिस्तानी हैं और यहाँ पे बिजनेस भी करते हैं, आपने ये फाउंडेशन भी बनाई हुई है। इस वक्त इमरान खान साहब की गवर्नमेंट है, तो व्हाट इज़ द हाईलाइटिंग स्टेप टेकन बाय इमरान खान एज पीएम इन योर व्यू?
पहली बात तो ये है कि मैं रशीद शेख हूँ।
जी
ठीक है, मैं पिंडी वाला शेख रशीद नहीं हूँ, मैं अमेरिका वाला रशीद शेख हूँ।
रशीद शेख,
तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारी रिप्यूट ज़्यादा बेहतर है यहाँ पे। तो मैं 15 years से I've been getting elected for 15 years.
Okay.
This is my 5th term in office as a counselor in my city.
ओके।
So
इन बॉस्टन?
in basically there are several cities around Boston.
Okay.
It's a suburb called Shrewsbury.
Okay.
This is a heavily white town.
Okay.
And I've been getting elected for 15 years
Oh,
in this
wonderful.
town.
Wonderful.
So
I appreciate it.
there are a lot of people know me. I just give you a quick example. I went for an interview yesterday about Shabbat Khanam, and people don't know. You know, a lot of people, local people, don't know Shabbat Khanam.
मैंने खुद महसूस किया कि यहाँ की कम्युनिटी आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह जानती है, इसीलिए आपको मैंने चूज किया इंटरव्यू के लिए।
इसलिए तो मैं वहाँ गया इंटरव्यू के लिए, तो अनफॉर्चुनेटली उनकी जो सारा ऑफिस था फ्राइडे नाइट को वो जा चुका था। तो देन द डायरेक्टर केम ओवर व्हेन ही सॉ माय नेम and he greeted me and I didn't know him, and he happened to be from Shrewsbury and he voted for me.
Oh.
So he basically said, Mr. Sheikh, a lot of people call me Mr. Sheikh, that it's a pleasure to meet you and I voted for you, so please continue the service. We love the service. So it was really reaffirming, and it was great that a local American say that, and I don't know him and he knows me, and there are many examples like that.
Okay.
So alhamdulillah, we have been working in the local community as well as in immigrant community. So one of the motive of Humanity Bridge Foundation is to building a bond between East and West, between local and immigrant communities. Then also trying to bridge the gap between haves and has not. And the most important thing is doing something great so the local people understand that we are good people. When we do something good, when we do something great, then the message in the world goes out that Pakistani and Pakistani American are great people.
It's a good thought, I appreciate it. But मेरा क्वेश्चन सर ये है कि इमरान खान साहब जो हैं उन्होंने कौन सा अच्छा स्टेप लिया इस वक्त?
जी हाँ, मैं उसी तरफ ही आ रहा हूँ, लेकिन it's important to understand that how do we really rebuild the Pakistani brand.
Okay.
So if you don't rebuild the Pakistani, because people don't understand, Imran Khan unfortunately is not very well known in USA because this is not a cricket country. It's a baseball country. There's no cricket player here. So for that reason, Imran Khan is not that known. So and the Pakistan repute is not that great because of all the media. But because Imran Khan has become a prime minister, we have gotten involved and we are motivated because we would want to stand behind some crooked people. Imran Khan we can trust and we are standing behind, and we are proud to say ourselves Pakistani Americans. Now let me just go back and answer your question. Your question is that what has Imran Khan done so far, which is great. I think that I just visited Pakistan and I met with a lot of cabinet members. I think there's one single thing I saw, which if you really ask me one thing, I see that there is a major change in our philosophy of instead of taking from the government, giving to the country. Like for example, they offered me some advisorship. In that capacity, I have to spend from my pocket, to go there. And in the previous regimes, they give you all kind of perks. Over here, even when you go visit some people, they are paying for your tea from their pocket. So that's a big change that everybody knows. Just like Imran Khan doesn't offer anything more than a tea, nobody else does. And on top of it, that it's kind of a new thought that we are giving to the country. Don't ask what you can take from the country, ask what you can give to the country. And that's a new thing I have seen. If you ask me, that one big change, that's the change I see.
So what should be the role of opposition in house in current situation of Pakistan?
Yeah, I mean, I tell you, we don't have a true opposition. We have a lot of hodgepodge of people who are fighting for their own survival. Okay? So because they're fighting for their own survival, you can't expect anything good from them. So I think it's going to take Pakistan few decades to get to a point where you have right people. I don't believe Imran Khan is the last choice. That is absolutely wrong concept. I believe it's a change. You have seen some change. It's a small change. I don't believe it's a revolution. It's a small change, and it will take few decades. It does not take nations few years. It takes them few decades to bring the real change. I think as the time goes by, you're going to see better and better people. So I do not believe Imran Khan is the best of all and he's the only solution. I actually see another good thing that I see, because people saw if Imran Khan become a prime minister, then there is a chance for new generation of people who love Pakistan and who want to change Pakistan.
वंडरफुल. आपने शेख साहब की बातें सुनी, बड़ा ही विजडम, बड़ी ही उन्होंने मुदल्लल तरीके से जवाब दिया, और पूरा प्रॉपर इस तरह नहीं कि बस खान आया और मसले हल हो गए. उन्होंने बाकायदा डिवीजन करके बताया है कि कोई रेवोल्यूशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, स्मॉलर चेंज आएंगे और उससे, और खान साहब को आखिरी चॉइस भी नहीं है, और भी बहुत सारे लायक और काबिल लोग पाकिस्तान में मौजूद हैं, जैसा कि आपने सुना इनसे. मैं बॉस्टन में मौजूद हूँ, हार्वर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी के शहर. आज मुझे ये लेके गए थे हार्वर्ड स्ट्रीट के पास. पूरी दुनिया से ज़हीन बच्चे जो हैं वो हार्वर्ड की गलियों में घूमते हुए नज़र आते हैं, शॉप्स पे बैठे हुए कॉफ़ी पीते हुए नज़र आते हैं. बहुत ही खूबसूरत शहर है. इंशाल्लाह आपसे अगले शहर में मुलाकात होगी. खुदा हाफिज़.